Welcome to a realm where reality merges with fantasy, where snow blankets the earth in a serene hush and the sky dances with ribbons of color. Welcome to Lapland, Finland, an enchanting winter paradise that feels lifted straight from a storybook. Nestled in the northernmost part of Finland, Lapland is a magical escape for those yearning for something beyond the ordinary. The most captivating attraction here is the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. From late August to April, Lapland offers one of the clearest and most consistent views of this natural wonder. As night falls over the snowy wilderness, the sky transforms into a living canvas of green, purple, and pink waves. Whether you're watching from a frozen lake, forest clearing, or even your hotel bed, the experience is profoundly humbling. To make the most of your Northern Lights experience, many travelers opt for glass igloo accommodations in resorts such as Kaksarotani, Leveniglut, or the Arctic Snow Hotel. These unique domes offer a 360-degree view of the night sky right from your cozy, heated bed. Some are even equipped with private saunas and jacuzzis, making the experience intimate and luxurious. Beyond the night skies, Lapland stays are filled with snow-laden adventure. Husky sledding across the frozen tundra is an exhilarating way to see the countryside. You can drive your own sled or ride as a passenger, weaving through silent forests and frozen rivers with a pack of energetic Siberian Huskies leading the way. Then there's the reindeer safari, a traditional way to explore Lapland's wilderness. These majestic creatures, deeply tied to Sami culture, pull you through snowy trails while you sit in a sleigh under warm reindeer hides. It's peaceful, picturesque, and perfect for soaking in the silence of winter. The adventure continues with snowmobile safaris, where thrill seekers can speed across icy landscapes under the guidance of local experts. You'll find yourself gliding over frozen lakes, climbing snowy hills, and discovering panoramic views of Lapland's remote beauty. And if you're looking for a deeper connection to the region, visiting a Sami village introduces you to the indigenous culture of Lapland. Learn about their traditional clothing, joik singing, craftsmanship, and the spiritual relationship they share with nature and the reindeer they raise. For families, Lapland becomes a wonderland with a visit to Santa Claus Village in Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus. Here, you can cross the Arctic Circle, meet Santa in person, and send postcards from his official post office. It's a destination where childhood dreams feel vividly alive. Lapland is also a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. From skiing and snowboarding in Levi and Illes, to ice fishing and snowshoeing in the wilderness, every day offers a new opportunity to play in nature's pristine playground. Even simple things like building snowmen, making snow angels, or sipping hot berry juice by an open fire become meaningful in this fairy tale setting. Before we explore even more, take a moment to support this channel. If you're enjoying this journey through Lapland, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hidden gems and unforgettable travel ideas from around the world. Your support means we can keep bringing these magical places to life. For a more serene experience, visit the Arctic Spa Resorts, where you can soak in a steaming outdoor hot tub while snowflakes fall gently around you. Some spas even offer ice plunges and traditional Finnish saunas, giving you the perfect contrast between hot and cold therapy. Photographers and nature lovers will be enchanted by Risitunturi National Park, known for its frozen, snow-covered trees that resemble sculpted creatures from another world. Hiking here during sunrise or sunset is surreal and offers breathtaking panoramas. And don't miss out on seasonal festivals like the Polar Night Jazz Festival or the Snow Castle in Kemi, an enormous fortress built entirely from snow and ice with suites, restaurants, and even a chapel made of frozen architecture. Lapland, Finland, is not just a place to visit, it's a destination to feel, to experience, and to remember for a lifetime.